Always read your use and care guide. This video is for informational purposes only.
To allow for proper load sensing and spinning, the lid on your washer locks when you push the start button and the lid lock light turns on. This light indicates that the lid is locked and cannot be opened. If you need to open the lid, press Start, Pause, Unlock. The lid unlocks once the washer movement has stopped. This may take several minutes if the load was spinning at a high speed. The lid lock light turns off when the unit unlocks, and you can open the lid.
Always follow your use and care guide, included with every product or available online at www.maytag.com.